Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mohon izin melaporkan kegiatan pengamanan pembangunan hunian tetap oleh personil Kompi 2 Batalion B Pelopor di Desa Simpang Kanan, Kecamatan Kejuran Muda, Kabupaten Aceh Tamiang.
One built his legend with fury and flames. One built his legacy, carrying the dead. One spoke with his sword, one with what he said. They never met in life, fate kept them apart. But I watched them both, I know every heart. And I've been waiting longer than either knows for the moment these two rivers finally flow.
So I opened the doors, I stepped to the side, and I let the Hall of Valhalla decide how two men who never shared a field or a flame finally stand together and speak the other's name.
I've been here long enough to know the faces of the dead. I've greeted every warrior, every oath ever said. I've seen the great ones enter, I've seen the broken ones too. But this one walking into something I already knew. He walks like a man who has never put anything down, like someone who's been carrying a city instead of a crown. His eyes are somewhere between exhausted and free, like a man who just finished the longest journey.
Then I watch him stop in the middle of the hall. He reaches into something deep, something I can't call, and he pulls out a list not written on skin or stone, but alive in his chest, all the names he has known. And I see mine,
I see Ragnar Iron Bull written in his breath. This man carried my name through his living, through his death. He said my name in fields where I had already gone. He kept me alive in places I had never been on.
I step forward slowly,
Because this moment is rare.
a warrior meeting the man
Who kept him in the air?
long after the ravens, long after the frost,
Long after everyone else decided I was
I
lost.
put my hand on his shoulder,
Iron on iron.
and I say the only thing a man can say,
Say to the one,
who kept his name burning in the cold, in the dark.
you said my name.
Two rivers, finally one sea. Two legends, finally free.
One carried iron.
Untuk saat ini, progres pembangunan hunian tetap Polri sudah mencapai 85% dengan total jumlah bangunan sebanyak 250 unit rumah yang akan diperuntukkan untuk korban bencana banjir dan longsor di Kabupaten Aceh Tamiang.
Two legends, one name.
Valhalla will never be the
I
same.
walk through those doors with 10,000 names still burning inside me, still feeding the flames. I always thought I'd arrive and finally lay them down, finally
Insya Allah 1 hari 2 hari ini Insya Allah selesai. Sore ini Insya Allah datang bahannya.
looked
Something in the hall
like a page in a book.
that I've been reading for years without knowing the end. And I turned and I saw him and I had to pretend
That I wasn't sure.
Demikian kami laporkan. Semoga hunian tetap Polri dapat bermanfaat bagi korban bencana banjir dan tanah longsor di Kabupaten Aceh Tamiang. Salam presisi, Brimob untuk nusa dan bangsa.
where no one was left.
I said it the morning after every game.
Because you were the one the living remembered most. You were the warrior who felt more alive than a ghost. And I never met you, never once.
In all of those years,
But